Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to start next exercise of chapter 13, surface area and volume. So exercise 13.7. In this exercise we will study about volume of cone. So here in question number 1 we have given find the volume of right circular cone with radius equals to 6 centimeter and height equals to 7 centimeter. So here in first case we have a cone in which radius equals to 6 centimeter. So the radius of this cone is given 6 centimeter and height of this cone is given 7 centimeter. So formula for finding volume of cone, it is given by 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So putting value 1 upon 3 into 1 place of pi 22 upon 7 into r square. Radius is 6. So 6 into 6 into 7 and height is 7. So we can write here 7. So 7 will cancel by this 7. 6 will cancel by this 3 2 times. So here 22 into 2 will be 44 and 44 into 6 will be 264 centimeter cube. So here we can say that volume of this cube will be 264 centimeter cube. Similarly, second part you can try yourself. Now after this, see question number second. In question number second we have to find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel. So suppose we are having a conical vessel. So in this conical vessel we have given its radius 7 centimeter and slant height. This is slant height. It is given 25 centimeter. So first of all we will find its height. So height will be given by formula under root L square minus R square. So here under root on place of L we can write here 25. So 25 square minus radius is 7 square. So under root 25 square will be 625 minus and 7 square is 49. So 625 minus 49 will be 576. So under root 576 is 24. So here height will be 24 centimeter. Now we can find its volume. So volume of cone will given by 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now putting the value. So 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into on place of r radius is 7. So 7 into 7 into h and height is 24. So into 24. Now solving it, this 7 will cancel by this 7 and 24 cancel by this 3 8 times. So it will be 22 into 7 into 8. So 22 into 7 into 8, it will be in centimeter cube. So by multiplying 22 into 7 into 8, it will be 1232. So 1232 centimeter cube. Now we can convert it into liter. So we can divide it by 1000. So dividing by 1000, it will be equal to 1.232 liters. So 1.232 liters will be answer. So in this way we can do this question. Now after this, see next question. So after this, see question number 3. In question number 3 we have the height of a cone is 15 centimeter if its volume is 1570 centimeter cube. Find the radius of the base and use pi equals to 3.14. So in this question we have given a cube in which here it is a cone. So in this cone height is given 15 centimeter and volume is given 1570 centimeter cube. Here we have to find radius and we have to use value of pi as 3.14. So here volume of cone is given by 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So 1 upon 3 pi r square h equals to 1570. Now putting value 1 upon 3 on place of pi we can use 3.14. So 1 upon 3 into 3.14 into r square into on place of h we can write 15 equals to 1570. So this 15 will cancel by this 3 5 times. Now finding value of r, it will be equals to 1570 upon 3.14 into 5. So 1570 will cancel by this 5 314 times. So it will be 314 upon 3.14. So we will remove this point and here 100 will come. So 314 will cancel by 314. So here r equals to under root 100. So r equals to under root 100 and under root 100 is 10. So here radius of this cone is equals to 10 centimeter. So here radius is 10 centimeter. So in this way we can do this question. Now after this, see next question. So after this, see question number 6. In question number 6, we have the volume of right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter, then we have to find in first case height of the cone, in second slant height of the cone, and in third curved surface area of the cone. So here we have given a cone, its volume is given 9856 centimeter cube, diameter is 28 centimeter, so radius will be 28 upon 2, 14 centimeter. Now in first case we will find height of the cone. So here we have given volume of cone is 9856 centimeter cube. So volume of cone formula 1 upon 3 pi r square h equals to 9856. Now finding here, putting value 1 upon 3 into, on place of pi we can write 22 upon 7, our radius is 14, so it will be 14 into 14 into h equals to 9856. So here this 14 will cancel by this 7 2 times, so it will be finding value of h by doing cross multiply. 9856 will multiply by 3 and upon 22 into 2 and 14 it will be multiply. Now by solving it we can find value of h will be here 16 into 3, so it will be 48 centimeter. So by solving it, value of h will be 48 centimeter. Now after this, in second part we have to find its slant height. So formula for finding slant height, under root r square plus h square. So it will be given by r radius is 14, so 14 square plus h is 48, so 48 square. So 14 square is 196 plus, and 48 square is 2304. So here 196 plus 2304 will be under root 2500, and value of under root 2500 is equals to 50 centimeter. So we can say slant height will be 50 centimeter. Now in third case we have to find its curved surface area. So in this curved surface area, it is given by, curved surface area of cone is given by pi rl. So putting value 22 upon 7 into radius is 14, and here slant height is 50. We have find slant height 50. Now solving it, 14 will cancel by 7 2 times, so 22 into 2 will be 44 into 50. So 44 into 50 will be equals to 2200. So here curved surface area of cone is 2200 centimeter square. So in this way we can do this question. Now after this, see next question. So after this, see question number 9. In question number 9 we have a heap of weight is in the form of a cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter and height is 3 meter. Find the volume. So here we have to find volume, and also the heap is to be covered by a canvas to protect it from rain, and here find the area of canvas required. So in first case we will have to find its volume. So we have given a heap whose diameter is equals to 10.5 meter. So this heap is in the form of cone. So here height is given 3 meter. So we can find its radius. Radius will be 10.5 upon 2, that is 5.25 meter. Now first of all we will find its slant height. So slant height will be given by formula under root r square plus h square. So equals to radius is 5.25, so 5.25 square plus height is 3, so 3 square. 5.25 square will be 27.5625 plus 3 square will be 9. So by adding it will be under root 36.5625, and under root will be 6.046 meter. Now after this it will be its slant height. Now in first case we have to find volume of this cone or volume of this heap, which is given by formula 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now putting its value 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into, on place of radius we can write 5.25 into 5.25 into 3. This 3 will cancel by this 3, 5.25 will cancel by this 7, 0.75 times. Now 22 into 0.57 into 5.25, it will be equal to 86.625 meter cube. So volume of this heap will be 86.625 meter cube. Now after this we have to find area of the canvas, which is used for protecting it from rain. So area of canvas will be equal to curved surface area of cone. So here curved surface area of cone is given by pi RL. So putting its value 22 upon 7 into R, radius is 5.25 and L, that is slant height we have find 6.046. It will be in meter square. Now solving it, this 5.25 will cancel by this 7, 0.75. Now multiplying them, 22 into 0.75 into 6.046. So by multiplying all them, so it will be equal to 99.75 meter square approximately. So this is the answer. So in this way you can do this question. So in this we have to try remaining question of this exercise, and after this exercise we will start next exercise of this chapter. So all of you, thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.